All right, it's about 5 degrees out. We just got a nice blanket of about 8 inches of fresh powder. And I'd just like to thank Porter's Toys in Brookings, South Dakota for giving me a great deal sponsoring these tracks for my Polaris Ranger 800 HD. Because without them, up here, there's no way we could get up here. And we're gonna make a day out of calling. We've got a lot of steep terrain with deep snow, and these things won't get stuck. I'd like to personally thank Kirby. He gave me a great deal and sponsored me these tracks, and I appreciate it. We're gonna go hammer some dogs. How many did you get?
Dude, 3 for sure. Dude, I don't even know. I lost count. I don't know how many I dropped. We were 2 minutes from getting up and walking off of this set. And out there in the middle of that grass, I saw what looked like a chicken hawk that had landed on a mouse looking at us. And sure enough, I get the scope out, and I'm looking at him through the scope, And sure enough, he starts moving, and it's a coyote. And what do you know? 6 of them. 6 of them come running out of there. That's O'Neill Ops. O'Neill Ops. Predator hunting suppressed, baby. That's how we do it.
All right, we're out here in western South Dakota, predator hunting suppressed. It's about wind chill minus 20 degrees and not a real strong wind, but we had a low pressure system move in. I called up Joe, my cousin, told him to get down here for some good coyote hunting. I saw 12 coyotes here in this area last week, and this is what happened.
We had this nice cold weather. It was actually not too bad today, you know, about 5 below, I suppose, and we came out here for one last set and decided to stop here at this little slough bottom, and we called for about 15 minutes, and we were just getting ready to get up and leave. I got the glasses out because I thought I saw a coyote looking through the grass, and I looked at it close and it looked like it might have been a chicken hawk. So I got the rifle up and looked through the scope, and sure enough, it's a coyote. It starts coming off to the side there, and we're all like getting ready, and sure enough, 3 come out, then a 4th one, then a 5th one, and sure enough, 6 dogs come out charging hard. And I let the 243 super short mag lay the hammer down, and got the YHM suppressor on there. And man, predator hunting suppressed here with O'Neill Ops. That's the way to go, definitely.
That's how you do it right there. Self triple, self triple.
Woo!
Doesn't get any better than that.